Hello viewers, hope you're doing well. Today in this video, I'm going to call upload image API in React. So let's get started. As you can see, the app.js file in our React.js application. First of all, I'm going to create a state for the alert. Let me initialize this with the use state. Inside this, we have a type that is by default empty. Second, we have message that is by default empty. At the last, we have a open that is by default false. As you can see the button with the caption submit. On this button, I'm going to add here the property that we have disabled when the uploading has a value true. After that, we have a property with the name start icon where we have to show the loader when the API is in progress. We are checking here the value of the uploading. If uploading has true, then we have to show here the loader. Otherwise, it will be a null. Now after these, I'm going to add the implementation for showing the alert after the form tag. As you can see, we are checking here the value of the open. If the alert.open has true, then we have to show this alert where we have a alert type, alert message, and on the close, we are cloning here the alert. At the last, we are setting here the value of the open false. Let me import the alert from the material UI. As you can see the method that we have handle submit. Inside this method, I'm going to add here the if condition where we have to check if the form data.image is null. Then we have to return this function. Before returning the function, I'm going to show here the alert. So let me call here the alert state where we have a type error. After that, we have a message that is a please select an image. At the last, we have a open with the value true. Let me remove this console. Now outside of the if, I'm going to call here the state for the uploading. Let me set here the value that we have true. After that, I'm going to create an object with the name form data to send. Let me initialize this with the new form data. So we have to append here the title posted by and the image. So let me call here the object name that we have form data to send dot append. Inside this, we have a key that is a title. Let me get the title value from the form data state that we have form data dot title, as you can see. Now after that, we have to append here the posted by, and we have to get the value of the posted by from the form data that we have form data dot posted by. After that, we have to append here the image, and we have to get the image from the form data dot image. After appending these, I'm going to add here the try, catch, and the finally block. Inside the finally block, I'm going to call here the state that we have set loading. Let me pass here the value of the loading that we have false. Inside the argument of the catch, I'm going to catch here the error, and inside the catch block, I'm going to show here the alert where we have a type error, message that we have error uploading image. Now after that, I'm going to install the exist package in our React.js application. Let me open here the PowerShell. Let me write here the command that we have npm install exist. Let's hit enter. As you can see, exist installed successfully. Now let me call here the package that we have exist and the mapping that we have post. Inside the argument of this, we have to pass here the URL form data to send object. After that, we have to define the content type that we have multipart form data. So first, I'm going to add here the URL inside the quotes. As you can see the URL that we have http://localhost:5555 that we have the port of our Node.js application /upload that we have a path of our post image API. After the URL, I'm going to pass here the object that we have form data to send. After this, inside the headers, I'm going to define the content type that we have multipart form data. As you can see the content type that we have multipart form data. So it will be a await. Let me make this function async. Now after calling the endpoint, I'm going to show here the alert type success, message that we have image uploaded successfully, and the open value that we have true. After that, I'm going to call here the use state that we have set form data to make this form empty. So first I'm going to make the title empty. After that, we have a posted by, make this empty as well. At the last, we have an image, make it null. After that, I'm going to call here the use state that we have file name, make it empty as well. At the last, I'm going to set here the use state that we have set preview image. Let me make it null. Now you can take a look of the app.js. Now let's navigate to the Node.js application. Let me open here index.js. On the top, I'm going to import here the course. After importing the course, I'm going to define here the middleware for the course. So let me call here the instance that we have app.use. Inside the argument of this, I'm going to pass here the package name that we have course. Now let's go back to the browser. Let me open here the inspect. Let's fill the form where we have a posted by John. Let me add here the image title that we have nature. Let me upload here the image. Now let's click on the submit button. As you can see, the error we got, circular progress is not defined. So let's go back to the React.js application. Let me import here the circular progress. Let's go back to the browser. As you can see, the status code we got 200 OK, and inside the response, we got a string, image uploaded and data saved successfully. That's all for now from my side. If you have any confusion, you can do comment. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.